Sai. Hi, say hi. Hi. Say hi. So, ngayon, dito kami sa kwarto. Hi. Say hi, Sai. Say hi, Ate Sab. Hi. Hi. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss, Ate. Hello. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Ate, dance. Dance. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Nandito na kami. Mama and Sai and Ate Sab. Say hi. Sino mong daw? Ha? Sino mga daw? Sino daw? Oh. Hi. Who's that? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Ate Sab. Peekaboo. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, where's your shoulder? Wow. Where is your feet? Where is your tummy? Your eyes. Eyes. No, that's mouth. This is your eyes. Where is your hands? And your hair. Where is your hair? No. No, Mama only. Mama only. Mama only. So, ayun na yun. Goodbye. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye mga ka-twins. Bye-bye. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.